For some of the automations, it's need to prepare Excel area chart, which is important to showcase some visualized informations. For those type of automations, here we are going to utilize UiPath because it's a unique recurring task which can be done with the help of UiPath. For that, I'm going to create one sequence, and within this sequence, we will use Excel activities. So far, I'm going to utilize Excel process scope where we have to just drag and drop, use Excel applications, use Excel file. Within this, we are going to attach some data. This is the data for the college of departments or number of students what we have. Just to tell you or give you a background about it, consider we have college students who is enrolled for different departments, and those departments data needs to be visualized just to share with the trustees or college departments. In these type of scenarios, we are going to use Excel file and then insert chart. As of now, in the Excel file, I added test1.xls, and from here chart category I'm going to use as area, and chart type will be area itself, where we are going to add some informations and attach these Excel data. Because this is a column based data, so here we'll use data range for sheet 1, sheet 2, whichever, or sheet 3. Where you want to add the chart, you can add it. You wanted to create some chart variable, so that's the reason here I inserted chart, and then we will run the code. After running the code, you will get to see the chart will be prepared successfully, where you can see area chart is added within the Excel. Sheet 2 will have my data, and sheet 3 contains my area charts, which shows the informations of all this department. We can do much more thing. If we wanted to update this chart, we can also do it. Because we have created variable inserted chart, within this I wanted to update the title. This title will get updated after running this activity, where I wanted to add total number of students. Instead of just number of students, we can add total number of students. So we will not just create chart, we will also update the chart. And once I run the chart, data will be updated successfully, or title will be updated successfully. Whenever we'll open, you can see title is updated successfully. You can also create copy of it, or you can also add some more values. So these categorizations we can also create it. If you wanted to keep one chart with number of students, second chart with total number of students, that is also possible. Here, if you want, you can update it, delete it, or get chart informations. Here, if you want, we can save it chart as a picture, which needs to be shared on email or any other places. You can do it. As of now, I'm giving the file name as sample area.png, but you can specify any formats. After executions, you'll also have this sample area.png will be stored into your local folder. We can also see it within the project itself. So here the project file contains sample area.png. It means that image is saved, which can be utilized at the time of sending an email or at the time of any other informations. For presentation activity, we are going to use this presentation packages, and after this we will use the entire image into PowerPoint. So real-time use case we can consider as if we have data in Excel file, we wanted to create some chart and post having the chart. If we wanted to add this image into our PowerPoint presentations, that can be also doable. So consider your manager has reached out to you and shared some Excel data. Might be this is a recurring task for him where he wanted you to create some automations which generates charts from Excel and automatically save this Excel chart into image, and that image will be imported into the PowerPoint. By this way, you can generate the chart data and you will have PowerPoint presentations ready with the help of UiPath. As of now, we don't have any data in sample area chart. I wanted to include the same image or any PowerPoint deck. For the charts, we can simply add it. Here, we have to specify the presentation's title. So I just copied as a path. We'll paste it into add image or video to slide and then slide number. If you want, we can define the slide number as well. For doing that, we have to use PowerPoint activities where use PowerPoint presentations activities will be added. Under that, we'll add image or video slide. Presentation is presentations dot slide number. I wanted to use as 1 because the reference we have provided as PowerPoint and save changes, we wanted to use it. Content placeholder, if you want, you can add it, or it's okay. If you want, we can even add some placeholder. Within this placeholder, we will paste this image. So we'll just copy the placeholder name and paste it into the placeholder, or we can just change the placeholder name. So this is my placeholder. Within this placeholder, we wanted to add the images. So it means you will have entire control about your automations. Whichever automations you wanted to build, you can create entire control within your hands. By this way, it will be helpful for you to prepare a chart. Save this chart into PNG format and entire PNG will be imported into our PowerPoint presentations. Let's run and see the result. Now our automation has been completed. You can see total number of students area chart is generated. We have saved into our projects, and finally we wanted to add into PowerPoint. Whenever we'll open the PowerPoint presentations, you'll have this presentations with the chart added. So by this way, you can visualize the data, add the information quickly with the help of PowerPoint as well as UiPath activity. That's all from this video. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And question for you, what do you think where you're going to utilize this automations? Do you really think this can be useful, or this can be never required for your automations? I would like to see your comments in comment box. And if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, feel free to hit subscribe and bell icon. So whenever I will upload a new video, it will get notified to you. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.